All right. Well, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. Today we have Mr. Brad Connors, the owner of iWealth, with us, and we're talking about life insurance, and specifically we're talking about life insurance as an investment vehicle.
Yeah.
Yes, no, or maybe.
All of the above. Matt.
All of the above.
Yeah.
Okay. Teach us.
Yeah. So real quickly, it depends on your situation, like everything else in life.
Okay.
Typically not as an investment right away, meaning you're getting married, need some insurance, that kind of thing. So it's what's the intent of the life insurance? If it's just to cover a catastrophe that you die and need to pay off debt or fund college and that kind of thing, I don't like life insurance as an investment. I think term insurance does a really good job for that piece of it. However, there are times in our lives where it makes sense to have cash value life insurance. There are some really cool products out there that you can minimize the death benefit and maximize the cash value and get it off of the books from a tax standpoint.
Meaning that you can get a benefit only when you go to retirement, right? And then it's kind of like saving for retirement in this life insurance policy. Is that right?
Correct. But you should check some boxes first.
Okay.
Max out your 401k. Max out your Roth IRAs.
Okay.
Get your debt paid off, right?
Okay.
Then you should be saying, we have some extra money. What should we be doing with this? And you have to buy the right insurance policy. Here's what I mean. Life insurance people, like myself, get paid off of death benefit. The maximum the death benefit, the more we make. All right? You need to buy minimum death benefit. The lowest amount, there's government guidelines. All insurance companies follow it.
Yeah.
Buy the lowest amount. Figure out you're going to put $10,000 a year in this thing. Put it in, buy the least amount of insurance so you can grow the cash.
Okay.
And then you can use that as an alternative with your 401ks and Roths and everything else as an investment. And oh, by the way, along the way, if you die, there's going to be a death benefit there. It's just not going to be
your
as
family.
much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I like it as an investment when you check the boxes of debt, Roth, 401ks, all those other type things are done.
Yep.
Then I like it as an investment.
And it sounds like you got to have a pretty healthy income.
You do.
To justify this. So
yeah.
Talk us through that angle of it. You know, we're talking about $100,000 a year, or does this kick in at $50,000 a year? What?
Well, the IRS says around that 160 mark of married couple, if you make 160 together, you can't do a Roth IRA.
Okay.
So let's say you're maxing out your 401ks and then you have extra money left and you can't do a Roth. You can have a Roth IRA alternative in this life insurance concept where the money grows tax deferred and you can take it out tax free. You borrow your own money back out and don't have any income taxes. So it's a Roth IRA for the affluent. But yeah,
sounds like it's a loophole for the affluent.
It is a loophole, but it's been there for years. It's just part of life insurance. But you got to buy the right stuff. Again, all of a sudden you put money in there and half your premium or half your $10,000 you put in that example goes to pay for the death benefit. It defeats the purpose.
Yeah.
You need to have $500 pay for your death benefit and $9,500 going to build the cash.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah, it's a really neat vehicle for people, but get your term insurance when you get started and cover your family, that kind of stuff. Get your 401k maxed out, then take a look at cash value.
Have you been through this a bunch of times, helping?
A lot. Yeah. And you just, the nice thing about dealing with buying life insurance through a financial advisor, a wealth advisor, is the fact that they're looking holistically at everything for you, and that they're not just there to sell you an insurance policy today.
Yeah, they're not an insurance person.
It's just part of the plan that you put together.
Very cool. So somebody wanted to reach out, how would they find you?
Yeah, just give us a call or look us up at iWealthforme.com.
Very cool. We'll see you back here next time.
All right, thanks.